Hello, children of Tower Hamlets. The pandemic has been tough. We haven't been able to visit people or travel to other countries. But even though the rest of the world seems far away, we are lucky. Tower Hamlets is an interesting place. We can also still stay in touch with people and let them know what we're doing and what we're thinking. So stick with me and I'll teach you how to make a postcard and connect with people. First, let's go for a walk and get some inspiration. Let's think about empathy. Hello doggies. Empathy is understanding the feelings of others. Empathy is the key for understanding big people and little people. It's about walking in someone else's shoes. Think about what the person you're going to send a postcard to would like. A message of support is always nice, and gratitude is good too. I like hearing about what my friends like. Maybe use your postcard to tell them what you like. I like fudge. We could send a postcard asking someone what they've learned during the pandemic. I learned that even if you can't do things, you can still be happy. We can connect in lots of ways. Just sending a postcard to someone shows them you were thinking about them. So why not just tell them where you are right now? Or you could make them smile by pretending you're at the beach, or on a tropical island, or that you're having a walk in the countryside. And don't worry if someone has already had the same idea. There's always another one around the corner. Now that we have some postcard ideas, we need to go to the idea store. Postcard Connect is part of the Spine Festival. Spine Festival 2021. A free spoken word and arts festival for children, young people and families. This year's theme is empathy. The idea store is giving away free postcards and an instruction sheet. Packs are limited, so come early. Okay, now let's go home. Great, just one more thing to do before we start. Let's get some help from an artist.
Hello, my name is Meng Ni Beh and I'm an artist. Today I'm going to share with you some of the postcards I've made inspired by the things we do and enjoy in the summer. I've made some videos to share with you to give you some inspirations and ideas for your postcards. Click on the description below for the video links. Please remember to ask your grown-ups to take a photo of your postcards and share it with us at Idea Store. I hope you have fun creating them and I can't wait to see your postcards. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks Meng, I'm inspired. I'm ready to start. Done. When you're done with your postcard, ask your grown-up to take a pic and send it to the Idea Store. They're going to show all the postcards on a digital gallery on their website. Remember now, send a pic to the Idea Store before you post it. I can't wait to see your postcards. Now that COVID-19 is nearly over, there is light at the end of the tunnel. We're beginning to get a handle on the pandemic and clean up this mess. So this is the perfect time to connect with someone. Receiving a postcard can feel a little bit like heaven on earth. So go to the Idea Store today and get started. Thank you. Goodbye.